Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best Roomba robotic vacuums you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many Roomba robotic vacuums and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each Roomba robotic vacuums so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss what are the key things to consider when buying a Roomba robotic vacuum. First, think about your home's floor type and layout. Different Roomba models handle hardwood, carpet, and mixed floors differently, so match the model to your needs. Second, battery life and charging time matter, especially for larger homes. Some models automatically return to their charging dock and resume cleaning. Third, smart features like Wi-Fi connectivity, voice control, and mapping technology can make cleaning more convenient. Also, check the dustbin size and maintenance requirements since smaller bins need more frequent emptying. Lastly, consider your budget and warranty options to get the best long-term value. Choosing the right Roomba depends on balancing performance, features, and price. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tech tips.